Unraveling the Threads, a dive into textile mills. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the fascinating world of textile mills. If you've ever wondered what happens behind the doors of these bustling hubs of fabric production, you're in for a treat. Let's stitch together the details that make textile mills an integral part of the English language and the fabric industry. A textile mill is a manufacturing facility where various kinds of fabric are produced and processed. This might include weaving, knitting, dyeing, and finishing the fabric to prepare it for sale. These mills played a pivotal role during the Industrial Revolution and remain important in modern manufacturing. Textile mills have a rich history, especially in England where the Industrial Revolution began. They transformed from simple cottage industries to large-scale factories, which were some of the first to use modern production methods. Understanding this transformation is key to recognizing the significance of textile mills in industrial history. From raw fiber to finished product, there's a lot that happens in a textile mill. We'll walk through the process step by step, from spinning the fibers into yarn, to weaving or knitting the yarn into fabric, and finally, the various ways the fabric is dyed and finished. While the heyday of the massive textile mills might be in the past, they still exist today, using both modern technologies and traditional methods. We'll look at how today's mills operate and how they've adapted to the changing times and technology. I hope this journey through the workings of textile mills has given you insight into not just a phrase, but a historical and modern manufacturing marvel. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll continue to explore fascinating English terms and their meanings. See you next time.